Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the app. Open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left to reveal your profile. This gives access to friends and settings. Once the profile is visible, tap the settings gear at top right to confirm your username and privacy options. This step helps you interpret friend lists later. Make sure notifications and contacts access are enabled so you can compare lists quickly. This initial access gets you into the exact menus needed. Now go to your friends list from the profile screen and scan for names you expect to see. Use search to quickly find specific people. If they don't appear, note that. Next, check recent chats, stories viewers, and Snap Map to surface contacts who interacted with you. These records often show removed friends indirectly. Once done, write down discrepancies or take screenshots for side-by-side comparison. This helps when names are similar, or when accounts use different display names. To finish, compare your screenshots or notes against the current friends list to confirm who's been removed. If a name appears in your old records but not in friends, they were likely removed or deleted their account. Make sure to check mutual friends or ask the person directly to distinguish removal from account deletion. If you see inconsistent data, clear Snapchat's cache and restart the app, or update to the latest version. This often resolves missing or stale friend list issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.